Good morning students, I am Shamuji sir. Today I am here to deliver my lecture on topic separation of mixture. Here we'll see a separation of two immiscible liquid. This is from the chapter Is Matter Around Us Pure? So watch the entire video lecture to gain basics out of it. So without any delay, let's start. So let's start with the topic separation or separating the component of a mixture. So in the first slide you can see here separation of two immiscible liquids. Alright. So what is the meaning of immiscible liquid? So immiscible liquid means that or which won't get mixed with a single phase. Alright, that means they don't get mixed up. Like example, we have oil and water, example of immiscible liquid, because oil and water never mix with itself. Alright, that means oil and water will never mix themselves, so one floats on top of the other. Alright, like oil and water will never mix and oil always floats on top of the water. So now equipments to be used is a separating funnel. So here we'll use equipments, that is a separating funnel. Now let's see its principle and techniques. For principles and techniques, we'll see what is the principle. So by separating, we'll see how we do. In this method is based on separation of mixture containing two immiscible liquids containing a heavy and a light liquid. So what is the technique, how to do it? So the liquid mixture, alright, that means the liquid mixture is added to the separating funnel and the funnel is allowed to stand for some time without any disturbance. Alright, so the heavier immiscible liquid settles down and the lighter liquid floats above it. So the two liquids can be removed separately with the help of a tap or stopcock provided at the bottom of the funnel. Alright, so this is a liquid mixture where the heavier liquid settles down and the lighter liquid floats above. So you can see this is a separating funnel. You can see the structure of a separating funnel, the lighter liquid, the heavier liquid and the stopcock. Alright, so this is the liquid mixture. So heavier liquid will settle down and the lighter liquid will be on top. So examples are there like separation of kerosene and water, separation of oil and water. By separating funnel, we'll separate oil and water separation, kerosene and water separation. Now what are the applications? So to separate a mixture of oil and water, in the extraction of iron from its ore, the lighter slag. What is a slag? Slag is a glass-like. Alright, what is a slag? Slag is a glass-like byproduct left over after a desired metal has been separated from its raw ore. So slag is usually a mixture of metal oxide and silicon oxide. So alright, so in this extraction of iron from its ore, the lighter slag is removed from the top by this method to leave the molten iron at the bottom of the furnace. Alright, now how can we separate a mixture of salt and an ammonium chloride? Alright, so how can we separate a mixture of salt and an ammonium chloride? So you can see a mixture of ammonium chloride and a common salt. Common salt is NaCl and ammonium chloride. Alright, so mixture of ammonium chloride and NaCl. So mixture of ammonium chloride and salt can be separated by using sublimation. So the mixture is taken in a china dish and placed on a tripod stand. The china dish is covered with an inverted glass funnel. Alright, so you can see here a china dish is taken, inverted one. A mixture is taken, a mixture of ammonium chloride and salt. Salt is an NaCl, and the tripod stand is there, and one inverted funnel has been kept. Alright, so the china dish is covered with an inverted glass funnel. Next, a loose cotton plug is put in the open end of the funnel to prevent the ammonium chloride vapor from escaping into the atmosphere. So you can see a cotton plug is placed on top of the open surface of the stem of the funnel so that the ammonium chloride does not evaporate. Okay, so next the china dish uh, is heated by using a burner. On heating the mixture, the ammonium chloride changes into white vapor. This vapor rises up and gets converted into a solid ammonium chloride on coming in contact with the cold inner wall of the funnel. Hence, a pure ammonium chloride recollects, or pure ammonium chloride. Alright, so hence the pure ammonium chloride gets collected onto the inner side of the funnel in the form of sublimate and can be removed. Alright, so common salt remains behind the china dish. So this is a diagram of sublimation. What they have done, taken a tripod stand. So they have taken a tripod stand, all right, then a watch glass where that is a china dish they have considered, where a mixture of ammonium chloride and salt is there. Then an inverted funnel is taken, and then the opening of the funnel, the stem of the funnel, they're covered with a cotton plug, and then they have heated. So this is a process of sublimation. Thank you, student. This was all about the entire video lecture. Here you have learnt about the separation of mixture of two immiscible liquid. So hope you have understood the video lecture. So stay at home, stay safe. I am Shomuji sir signing off for today, and again we'll meet in the next class. Thank you, students.